In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile stand out. First, we'll head over to linkedin.com. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in the URL. Now, you'll be directed to LinkedIn's homepage. Here, you'll find the sign-in page where you'll have the option to log in using your Google account or by manually entering your email address and password. Choose the method that you prefer. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your login. This step enhances your account's security. Typically, you'll receive a code on your phone, which you'll then enter on the site. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed straight to your LinkedIn profile. Now that you're on your profile, let's start by focusing on your professional headshot. A clear, recent, and professional-looking headshot with a neutral background can make a significant difference. Think of it as your first impression, a moment to convey who you are. Aside from your photo, your headline is equally crucial. Go beyond a simple job title, instead incorporate relevant keywords that might attract recruiters. These keywords should reflect your skills and the industry you're involved in, showcasing your expertise. Next, let's delve into your About section. This space is where you can bring out your unique skills and experiences. Craft a detailed narrative that highlights what sets you apart in your field. Consider including information like your key achievements, milestones, and career objectives. A compelling summary should engage and persuade visitors to learn more about you. It's also essential to back up your claims with data. Use numbers and metrics to give your achievements added credibility. For instance, instead of saying you improved sales, mention that you increased sales by, say, 20% in the last quarter. These details make your profile more credible and appealing. Another way to make your profile stand out is by actively engaging with content and your network. Comment on posts, share industry insights, and make connections. This not only makes you more visible, but also keeps you informed about industry trends. Don't forget to customize your LinkedIn URL. A cleaned up, personalized link is easy to share and adds a professional touch to your profile. To do this, go to your profile settings and find the customization option. Replace the default string with your name or something easy to remember. Finally, ensure your profile is easy to read and understand. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, and bullet points where applicable. This increases readability and makes it easier for visitors to glean crucial information at a glance. With these steps, you can create a LinkedIn profile that truly stands out, highlighting your professional brand effectively to peers and potential recruiters alike.